My name is Nader Khoury. I'm the president of Columbia Weather Systems, and in this video I will show you how to replace the PTU module on an Orion sensor transmitter. We supply you with a replacement PTU module that has the actual module with an Allen wrench to be able to open the unit up, a calibration certificate for the new module, and instructions on how to do the replacement. Before you start, be sure to turn off the power on the system. Disconnect the sensor from the sensor cable. Remove the sensor transmitter from the mounting adapter by twisting it and pulling up. Be sure not to remove the mounting adapter, otherwise you would lose the north orientation. The top part of the sensor has 3 ultrasonic wind sensors. Be careful not to damage those sensors or to twist them. You can use the Allen wrench supplied with the replacement PTU to open up the unit, or you can use a screwdriver with an Allen adapter on it. There are 3 screws at the bottom of the unit. And then remove the top from the unit. You'll be able to see the PTU module. It is clipped and socketed in place. Once we remove the unit, install the new one in, push it firmly in place until the latch is in place. And then you can reassemble the unit. Make sure that it is tied back together. And that's basically it. You can reinstall the sensor on the mounting adapter and reconnect it to the sensor cable.